Good morning, class. Today, 26th of November 2020. In the previous 3 days, we have discussed the chapter Weathering the Storm in SMA. And now today we have also facing that weather in our city also, isn't it? In Chittorgarh. We are also facing the same climate here, but not in that condition. Okay, though it is raining heavily. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, the last leaf. This is a very important chapter, very important, and it has some moral. It gives some message also. So the last leaf, composed by O. Henry. Okay, he belongs to the country United States of America, right? He was actually a prolific writer. He was an American short story writer. Okay, and he was master in surprise ending the story. Okay, you want to end his story in a very twist and surprise manner. He wrote the life of the ordinary people in New York. At the same time, he turns his story in a very tragic mode, and her story gives us some lesson and message to the reader, right? So this is about the author O. Henry. Now let us see what is the theme of your story. Okay, the last leaf is about someone who illness changed, whose illness changed. Okay, this is a story which deals about someone illness that change. ये स्टोरी उस पर आधारित है कि जो इंसान बीमार है या बीमार है काफी टाइम से, उसके लाइफ में कैसे चेंजेस आते हैं, या वो अपने माइंड में किस तरह की पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव थिंकिंग सेटअप करता है कि वो ठीक हो पाएगा या नहीं. Here in this story, the person name is Johnsy, right? She is diagnosed with pneumonia. Okay, she is suffering from pneumonia. She is always negative feeling about herself that she will not survive even more after suffering this disease. She always watches a wine, you know, VINE, creeper, bale, ठीक है ना? So she always watches a vine that is outside her window of the room. उसके कमरे के विंडो पे एक बेल जैसे जाती थी. She always used to observe the leaf of that vine. Okay. She watches each leaf fall. Falling of the each leaf is connected with Johnsy life. एक एक पत्ते के गिरना जॉन्सी की लाइफ से कनेक्टेड था. वो उसको अपनी लाइफ को उस लीफ के साथ कनेक्ट करते थे. She always says that when the last leaf fall, she is going to with it. Okay, it is his intuitions that when the last leaf fall, her life also ends. ये उसका सोचना था, उसका मानना था कि जिस दिन ये वाइन ट्री का लास्ट लीफ गिरेगा, उस दिन मेरे लाइफ की भी एंडिंग हो जाएगी. So here Mr. Burman doubts the last leaf on the wall after the real one does. Then he catches that he trying to impress that the last leaf is not connected with any of the person. It is the thinking of the human being which thinks in a negative way. किसी इंसान का ये सोचना कि ये जो ट्री जा रही है, इस ट्री का जब एंड होगा तो मेरे लाइफ का भी एंड हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. जब तक हमारी लाइफ साइकिल पूरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती है, तब तक हमारे जीवन में फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगता. ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं, इट इज इन द हैंड ऑफ ऑलमाइटी गॉड. So we should be prepared for that. We should not lose our hope in the midst of our life. हम बीच में उम्मीद नहीं खो दें कि नहीं हो सकता, कि हम नहीं जी सकेंगे। ऐसा हमें बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना। जब तक लाइफ गॉड ने दी है तब तक एंजॉय करो, स्पेंड करो, इस डर से नहीं कि मुझे क्या बीमारी है या मैं जीना छोड़। So in this story, Mr. O. Henry want to give us like that we should not have such a negative feeling in our mind that we should live in certain period of time only. Our life is very much like a bubble. It is not there. We should have to enjoy, we should have to spend our life with whatever the task given by all the things around us. जो काम हम दुनिया में आए हैं, जो काम हमें दिया गया है, उस काम को पूरा किए बगैर हम नहीं जा सकते। हमारे लाइफ पीरियड सर्कल निश्चित। Okay, so here let us start the story, the last day, very interesting one. It is autumn season. Here autumn season is described. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. It is really, this story is appropriate for our situation also, because here today it is raining heavily also, and the same story we are going to do, same story is happening there also. इस स्टोरी में जिस तरह बताया गया कि बहुत बारिश हो रही थी, और हमारे यहाँ भी आज बहुत बारिश हो रही है। All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Ivy creeper, ठीक है ना, जो वाइन creeper मैंने बताया आपको, ivy creeper में all the leaves follow except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? The last leaf क्यों नहीं गिरा? क्या reason? Let us see in the story. Here is the story start. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So this is a story of two girls named Sue and Johnsy. Both of them were young artists, चित्रकार थे, artists. They lived together in a small flat, and it was situated on the third floor or story of an old house. It was situated on the third floor of that house. Okay, next line. Johnsy fell seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. So once what happened, Johnsy fell very ill in the month of November. November month में Johnsy बीमार हो गई. She suffered from pneumonia. Pneumonia की बीमारी हुई उसे. And she would lie in her bed without moving anything. और वो बेड पर आ गई. And from her bed she gazed out of the window. Window से बाहर के अपने बेड पे लेटे सब कुछ देखती थी. Sue, her friend, become very worried about her. Sue उसकी फ्रेंड बहुत चिंता हो गई कि ये तो बेड से हिल ही नहीं पा रही है. She sent for the doctor. Although he came every day, but there was no change in Johnson's conditions. The doctor called doctor. Doctor treat her, but the treatment is not be proved to be worthy one. There was no change in the condition of Johnson's disease. One day, the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnson?" एक दिन डॉक्टर ने सू से पूछा अलग ले जाकर, क्या जॉन्सी को किसी तरह की कोई चिंता है? Is she worrying about something? Is any tension is there, or any thinking is there, or idea is there on her mind which is going on very negative way? Is there anything? Sue replied, "No." "But why do you ask this question?" सू ने कहा, ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? ऐसा तो मुझे लगा नहीं. The doctor said, "Johnsy, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to well." Okay, the doctor replied that Johnsy had set up her mind that she will not get well soon. उसने अपने माइंड में ये सेट कर लिया कि वो ठीक नहीं हो. If she doesn't want to leave, medicines will not help. अगर वो उसकी जीने की इच्छा ही खत्म हो जाएगी तो कोई मेडिसिन कोई तरह का काम नहीं करेगा. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है उसके माइंड में, जॉन्सी के माइंड में इस टाइप की थिंकिंग चल रही है. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. Then it's a responsibility of Sue to make Johnsy more active, same thing as she was earlier. So she put some interesting things in front of her so that her mind setup will be changed. She talked about clothes, fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. उसने टॉपिक चेंज किया, जॉन्सी से फैशन के बारे में, स्टाइल के बारे में, क्लोथ्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया, बट जॉन्सी का रिस्पॉन्ड कुछ नहीं था. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. She is not at all interested to move from her bed also. मैं बेड से हिलना भी नहीं चाहती थी, खड़े भी नहीं होना चाहती थी. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy room and started painting. Okay, Sue brought her drawing board in Johnsy room and then she started painting और पेंटिंग करने लगी ताकि उसका माइंड थोड़ा डाइवर्ट हो. To take Johnsy mind off her illness, she whistled while working. Okay, so mind को setup change करने के लिए she tried to enact something which put some interest in Johnsy's mind. Next paragraph. Suddenly, Sue heard Johnsy whispering something. Suddenly, she heard that Johnsy whispering something in her own. Okay, खुद अपने आप में कुछ बोल रही है. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backward. She quickly went to Johnsy and उसके पास गई थी और जैसे उसने सुना उसके पास क्या विस्पर कर रही है. Then she imagined that she was counting backward. पीछे से काउंट कर रही थी 100, 99, 90 like this. He was looking out of the window and was saying 12. She was looking out of the window and what Johnsy is saying 12. After some time she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7 like this. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. Then Sue also anxiously looked out of the window. What is there? She also wanted to see. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. So Sue saw an old ivy creeper that was climbing brick wall outside their window. उनके दीवार के पास में एक आइवी क्रीपर की बेल जा रही थी. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. So when the wind blows, strong wind blows, the leaves of the creeper, they were fallen, isn't it? Next page, number 45. What is it, dear? Sue asked. Sue ने पूछा, क्या है ये? Johnsy whispered, 6. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago, there were almost 100 leaves. Now there are only 5 left now. So Johnsy told that 3 days before, there were hundreds of leaves in this ivy creeper. ने बताया कि 3 दिन पहले यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पत्ते थे और आज today only 5 left. It is autumn, said Sue, and the leaves will fall. Sue ने कहा ये autumn का सीजन है. Autumn के सीजन में leaves shed करते हैं अपने पत्ते गिराते हैं तो इसलिए पत्ते गिर रहे हैं. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. Johnsy ने declare कर दिया. When the last leaf falls, I will also die. The chapter of my life also go to end up. Johnsy ने कहा. I have known this for the last 3 days. Johnsy was observing this sight for last 3 days. That is why she declared that when the last leaf falls, my chapter will also end. मेरे जीवन का चैप्टर भी खत्म हो जाएगा. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? तुम्हारे साथ क्या connectivity? What is the connection between your life with that ivy fever? The doctor is confident that you will get better. Doctor have that confidence that you will soon get better. So why do you have put up such a negative thinking in your mind? Johnsy did not say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. Then Sue went from that room and she brought a bowl of soup for Johnsy. Soup लेके आई Johnsy के लिए. Soup. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I'm not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last leaf fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. Johnsy said that I want to see the last leaf fall. When the last leaf fall, then I will also sleep forever. जब last leaf गिरेगा तो मैं भी तब हमेशा के लिए सो जाऊं. Sue sat on Johnson's bed, kissed her, and said, "You are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us." Sue said that, "You are not going to die. It is your thinking that you are supposed to think. But doctor said that you will be soon getting well. Okay. And I just want to remove the curtain because I need some light and I want to finish my painting. Then we can earn some money by selling this painting." सू ने कहा कि मुझे लाइट चाहिए. उसने कर्टन हटा दिया ताकि वो अपनी पेंटिंग को पूरी कर सके और फिर उसे सेल करके मनी गेट कर सके. Isn't it? Please, my dear, now page number 46. Please, my dear friend, she begged Johnsy, promise not to look out of the window while I paint. Sue told to Johnsy that while she is painting, don't look out of the window. Johnsy को Sue ने request किया Johnsy से कि वो जब पेंटिंग कर रही है तब वो विंडो की तरफ ना देखे. All right, said Johnsy. Johnsy told, "Okay, fine. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. Soon, you just start painting and finish it as soon as possible, so that I can see your painting before the falling of the last leaf. Last leaf के गिरने से पहले मैं वो पेंटिंग देखना चाहती हूँ. I am tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves." So Johnsy said that I am tired now. I want to now die and I have to die. So leave me peacefully. Okay, with those poor tired leaves. जैसे वो थके हारे पत्ते गिर रहे थे कि करके, इसी तरह से मुझे भी जाने दो peacefully. I'm going to die. मेरी लाइफ अब बहुत कम है. Right? Try to sleep, Sue said. Sue ने कहा, just try to sleep. Don't think about anything. Just sleep it. I have to paint an old miner and I will call Behrman up to my model. Then Sue told that I have to finish my painting. Okay, मुझे अपनी painting finish करनी है. Then I will call Behrman to my model to see the painting. Okay, students. So Sue rushed down and Bearman leaped on the ground floor. So here up to this we have seen that how Johnsy had made up her mind. Okay, negative thinking. He just connected his life with the fall of the last law. Actually, it is not connected there, but still she had that feeling. So we can say that Johnsy is a very superstitious girl. बहुत अंधविश्वासी लड़की थी. एक आर्टिस्ट होने के साथ उसने अगर अंधविश्वास जैसी बातों पे मानती थी तो गलत था. This is wrong. हम अपनी लाइफ को किसी के साथ इस तरह कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. क्या कनेक्टिविटी है? Okay, so here we can say that both these young artists, Sue and Johnsy, have their negative feelings. One girl is having negative feeling and the other one is going to have a positive thinking, isn't it? One tried to console her, one tried to teach the lesson, but the other one is not able to understand the accurate thing. So I hope whatever we have discussed today, we have completed 2 pages of explanation. So I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you.